We'll be learning to multiply 2-digit and 3-digit numbers. This video is to provide Nigerian students with a solid understanding of how to multiply 2-digit and 3-digit numbers accurately, using step-by-step examples. Multiplication is a form of repeated addition. Key terms you should know. Multiplicand is the number being multiplied. Multiplier is the number you're multiplying by. Product is the result of multiplication. Example, 12 times 3 is equal to 36. Where 12 is the multiplicand, 3 is the multiplier, and 36 is the product. Multiplying 2-digit numbers by 2-digit numbers. Example 1, multiply 34 by 27. Step 1 involves multiplying the units place of both numbers starting with the first row, 34 by 7. 4 times 7 is equal to 28, write down 8, carry over 2. Step 2 involves multiplying the tens place of the second number, 7, by the tens place of the first number. 3 times 7 is equal to 21. Add the carryover, 2, getting 23. Result for 34 times 7 is equal to 238, write it down and save for later. Step 3, now, multiply 34 by 20. Multiply 4 times 2 is equal to 8 since it's in the tens place, add a 0, 80. Multiply 3 times 2 is equal to 6, and place in the hundreds, 600. Result for 34 times 20 is equal to 680. Add both partial products, 238 plus 680 is equal to 918. Example question. Calculate 45 by 32. Use the steps shown, and go through it on the whiteboard. Solution. First row, 45 times 2 is equal to 90. Second row, 45 times 30 is equal to 1,350. Add, 90 plus 1,350 is equal to 1,440. Answer, 1440. Multiplying 3-digit numbers by 2-digit numbers. Example 2, multiply 243 by 56. Step 1 involves multiplying the units place of the second number by each digit of 243. 243 by 6. 3 times 6 is equal to 18, write down 8, carry over 1. 4 times 6 is equal to 24, add carry over 1 to get 25, write down 5, carry over 2. 2 times 6 is equal to 12, add carry over 2 to get 14. Result of 243 times 6 is equal to 1,458. Step 2, multiply each digit by the tens place of the second number, 5 or 50. Multiply 243 by 50. Result of 243 times 50 is equal to 12,150. Add both products, 1,458 plus 12,150 is equal to 13,608. Practice question. Multiply 312 by 47. Solution. First row, multiply 312 times 7 is equal to 2,184. Second row, multiply 312 times 40 is equal to 12,480. Add, 2,184 plus 12,480 is equal to 14,664. Answer, 14,664. Tips for efficient multiplication. 1. Break down larger numbers into smaller components, tens and units. 2. Write neatly and clearly to avoid errors. 3. Double-check each partial product before adding. 4. Mastering these multiplication techniques is critical for scoring well. 5. Practice multiplying with different numbers and review your steps to improve speed and accuracy. Good luck!